So I've been talking a ton about PPC. You're probably inundated with information by this point going through the Lawyer PPC Playbook. I hope you're enjoying it. I made this video to reiterate that today our offer will expire for 50% off of our setup fee and the full $200 a month for call tracking waived out for the life of our business relationship. So if you are going to try to redeem this offer tomorrow, I'm sorry, the offer will not apply. However, I am the owner of the company, so maybe you could sell me on the free call tracking if we get on the phone and we have a good time talking. But don't hold me to that. What I want you to do, if you haven't done it yet, is schedule a free consultation with our team. We are experts at this. Even if you just want free help, reach out to us. We are overflowing with the desire to help you grow your firm intelligently by not wasting money on your PPC strategy. I look forward to talking with you soon. Thank you.